Hi everyone. This video is to show you how to connect to the MySQL server. So, I assume everyone has successfully installed MySQL Workbench. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open it up. So just go to MySQL Workbench and open it up. Once MySQL Workbench is open, you should see a screen that kind of looks like this. I'm doing this on my Mac, but even in Windows it should look somewhat similar. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to create the connection to the MySQL server that we have at Terry that has the databases set up in it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to hit this plus sign right here. If you don't see this plus sign right next to MySQL connections right here, you can also go to database and say connect to database. Okay, so two ways we can do this. I'm just going to hit this plus sign right here. Aha! It allows me to set up a new connection. So the connection, it asks for a connection name, and since this is the Terry MySQL server, I'm just going to say that that's what it is. Now the host name of the server is the one that you will see in the email that I have sent you. It is mysql.terry.uga.edu. The port is 3306. Now it's going to ask you for username. The username is again the one that I have mentioned in the email that I have sent out. And my username is NSRINI, Nshrini. But for you, it is going to be NS underscore your UGA ID. First thing you want to do is you want to test this connection. So let's hit test connection. And then it should ask you for your password. And I'm going to type a password in here. So after you enter your password, it should work. You should have access. And the password is as I mentioned. And so you hit OK. And you should have this. You should have a new MySQL connection. If you double click on this, it should ask you for the password. Type in the password once again. You can save it if you'd like. It should say opening SQL editor. And you should see something like this. Now, for you, you should see fewer databases. For me, just because I'm an administrator, I'm seeing a lot more databases here. But you should see, I think, about 3. One is going to be your own, one's going to be text, and one is going to be classic models. So that's how you connect to the MySQL server at Terry. If you have any questions, drop me a note. Thank you.